Welcome to Business Brief for today, August the 6th, 2026. It's a Thursday, and right now, Dangote Petroleum Refinery has announced another reduction in the ex-depot prices of premium motor spirits, as well known as petrol and automotive gas, oil, or diesel, as you know it, in a move expected to ease pressure on fuel marketers and improve competition in Nigeria's downstream petroleum sector. Now, the refinery reduced the ex-depot price of petrol by 50 naira per litre from 1,215 naira to 1,165 naira, while diesel was cut by 80 naira per litre from 1,650 naira to 1,570 naira per litre. Now, the new prices take effect from August 6, which is today, making it the latest in a series of downward price adjustment by the refinery. The latest reduction comes as international crude oil prices continue to soften, allowing the refinery to review its pricing. Now, industry analysts say the adjustment is expected to strengthen competition in the downstream petroleum market and could encourage marketers to reflect the lower ex-depot prices at filling station. Under the new pricing, marketers will now purchase petrol from the refinery at 1,165 naira per litre and diesel at 1,570 naira per litre, creating room for possible reductions in retail pump prices. Now, the refinery latest pricing means marketers now have access to products at a lower cost. The development analysts say could ease pressure on fuel supply and improve affordability. They add that the reduction in diesel price could also provide relief for manufacturing, transport operators, and small businesses that rely heavily on alternative power supply. And we do hope that in the coming days, this will reflect on, of course, the pump and the filling station across board. We'll move away to other stories now, as thousands of local government workers in Taraba State are set to receive long-awaited financial relief as the state government begins the payment of 5 months outstanding salary arrears, ending months of uncertainty for many affected employees. Now, the move is expected to ease financial pressure on workers and their families while stimulating economic activities across communities as more money begins to circulate within the local economy. Now, the Taraba State Government says the payment covers outstanding salaries owed to local government workers across the state's 16 local government areas. The exercise is part of efforts to improve workers' welfare, clear inherited salary obligations, and strengthen confidence in the public service. For many beneficiaries, the arrears accumulated over several months, making it difficult to meet essential expenses such as rent, school fees, healthcare, and other household needs. The government says payments have commenced in phases, with workers expected to receive their outstanding entitlement as the exercise progresses. Now, economists say the release of the salary arrears is expected to inject fresh liquidity into the local economies as workers spend the funds on food, transportation, housing, education, and other essential goods and services. The increased spending is also expected to benefit market traders, transport operators, artisans, and small businesses that depend heavily on household consumption. Now, for thousands of affected workers, the payments represent more than just overdue salaries. They provide an opportunity to settle outstanding debts, support their families, and regain financial stability after months of hardship. And Nigeria's banking industry has reassured customers that the country's financial system remains secure despite an ongoing global cyber campaign targeting organizations across several sectors worldwide. Financial institutions say there has been no disruption to banking operations, with customer deposit and payment system remaining protected as enhanced cybersecurity measures continue to safeguard critical financial institutions and infrastructure. Now, the reassurance follows report of a coordinated global cyber campaign that has affected organizations in financial, telecommunications, healthcare, and government sector across several countries. Although Nigerian banks have not reported any major breach linked to the campaign, industry stakeholders say they have intensified surveillance of their digital platform and activated additional security protocols to detect and prevent potential threats. The latest reassurance comes as Nigeria financial sector continues to expand its digital footprint, with millions of customers relying daily on mobile banking application, online transfer, point of sale terminal, and other electronic payment channel. Industry observers say maintaining public confidence is critical to sustaining the country's growing cashless economy and ensuring uninterrupted financial transaction. Now, for millions of Nigerians, the reassurance means banking services, electronic payments, and digital transactions remain available despite heightened global cyber threats. Analysts say continued investment in cybersecurity will not only protect customers' funds, but also strengthen confidence in Nigeria's digital economy, encourage greater financial inclusion, and support the country's transition towards a more technology-driven financial system. And just in case you heard that rumor or speculation of a bank be attacked, a cyber, attack on the bank, guess what? Put your mind to rest. They're on top of it, and we are protected. We'll leave it right there for today. Business Brief comes your way tomorrow again, same time.